Rightio lads, welcome back to another video. So today we're out here at Tumby Bay Jetty going for some fish or squid or whatever's out there, and mainly squid or some snook or something. Maybe it's early morning, about 8:30 right now. Well, not too early, but yeah. And later on today we're going to go out to Second Creek for a fish, hopefully in a tinny, and yeah. Wish us luck and we'll dig straight into it. Let's go. Hooked up to a squid straight away. You see him right there? Hooked up straight away. He's a nice little squid there, and I'm so pumped for the rest of the day. Straight away, guys, we've hooked onto a nice squid. I'll spin the angle around. Guys, we've hooked onto a squid straight away. Oh, he's going for a little run. But there we go, guys. Straight away, we've got onto a nice little squid. Now I'm going to grab him by the neck. There we go, guys. That is the first... Oh, he's just leaking out. There we go, guys. Straight away, that is a really nice squid there. Really nice one. Not massive, but a really good one there. On my new little white squid jig, hooked up to him straight away. So today I have a good feeling about today, and yeah, hopefully we can get onto a few more. Come on, get hyped, boys. I'll kill him, and yeah, get back with you, and hopefully we can hook up again. And he's white. Oh, let's go, baby! Let's go! Rightio, fellas. I think I'm gonna head back now, and get the tinny ready and everything, because down here we've just been quiet as no squid, no fish, no salmon, nothing. So yeah, unfortunately, but hopefully it's good enough weather to go out in the tinny, because it's getting pretty choppy now, but it's not too bad. And yeah, I'll get back with you when we're putting the tinny in.
You're not holding me.
It's this thing.
Oh no, the curve.
Rightio, lads, we have hooked on. Hooked on to a fish. And it's, as I thought, it was just a little tommy. Didn't feel like much, and Dad's got an absolutely humongous tommy. That is a massive tommy, Dad. Look at Dad's tommy. I got a mini one, and Dad's got an absolutely huge one. For a tommy, that is massive. But I'll chuck my guy back. He dropped off just for me. Oh, sorry. Chuck this little guy back and hope I can get some more. Oh, Dad's on again. I reckon that is a whitey. Holy, what the? Oh, that is huge. That is absolutely massive.
Boy.
Look at that, guys. That is massive. That's got to be at least 40 centimetres. Holy moly, guys. Dad just hooked up to that's got to be your biggest whiting. That is massive. That is a big boy. Yep. a massive one, but I mean it's still a whiting and I'll take that, but yeah, she's not massive. Probably gonna have to chuck him back, but we'll check his size. And yeah. Nothing big, but yeah. Little small one and we'll put him back. You. Dad's got a massive one, guys. Yep, looks like it. Oh, double header! That is an absolute cracker. 2 good crackers, and hopefully I can hook onto if you haven't got onto a good one yet. And yeah, you wish us luck. Oh, I'm getting pounded. Boys, we're on, big on, big on, big on. Oh. I wish you could see this action right now. Oh.
Keep up, keep up.
Oh. There we go, lads. That is a humongous whiting there. Just gonna let some line out. He's a big boy. Oh, calm down, mate. Calm down, calm down. Oh. This guy's a bit of a... Look at him, boys. That is an absolutely nice whiting. Oh, you! Beautiful whiting there. Look at these guys. These are thumpers. We're getting absolutely... Oh, Dad's on again. Onto another thumper. This one, oh. And Dad's got another one similar to mine. And yeah, guys, what a great day we're having so far. And yeah, hopefully we can continue to hook up to it. Yep. Yep, we're on again. Oh. Oh, yep, he's going for a run. Oh, yep, nice one. Nice one. Nice one. They were gone for a minute, but no, they've came back again. This has probably got to be my PB whiting. Oh, they're legit jumping out the bucket now. This guy is an absolutely huge King George whiting. Look at him. Oh, no. Oh, Jesus. Not letting me get. Look at that guy. Oh, look at him. He's an absolutely stonker. Phew! Rightio, boys, hooked onto a little Tommy.
Yeah, nah, we
and just pulled him up.
He got his coat off this spot, and then we just moved in behind him pretty much.
So little Tommy, I'll probably chuck him back and chuck it back down for some more whiting hopefully. Rightio, lads, we've hooked back up again. Pretty sure it's a whiting. Yep. Well, we thought they'd gone off the bite, but this one, just got this goes a bit crazy. But yeah, good to get him. That's 12 now, and yeah. Rightio, lads, we're gonna head in now because it's getting really choppy. So we're gonna head back for home and yeah. Good day's fishing, and I'll chat to you when we get back in. As we just rolled up on the beach, and that's probably gonna be the end of the day. I'll probably cook it up at home tonight, have that for dinner, and yeah. But I won't video me cleaning them because you probably don't want to watch me clean 12 whiting and a Tommy. So yeah, you get get back with you when I see you next.
Oh, good.
So she's doing it, catching up and doing
That's good that she's doing that.
Cooking it up.
squid. So I said, oh, that's good that you
Salt and pepper squid.
Yeah.
she's finished her painting inside that she was doing.
Yeah.
Get back with you when they're finished. Rightio fellas, cooked up the squid now. I'm just going to use some Thousand Island dressing and
Be nice.
dig into it.
So how many days ago?
We're going to go up.
3 hours later.
Right, only got a little bit out. There's not much in there. Skinny little pieces, but should still do the job.
So what are the days?
So that's the 7th, 8th and 9th.
That was absolutely amazing.
So you're all going over?
That tastes, these salt and pepper squid taste so good. And yeah. So guys, sorry I forgot to record the outro, but hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So much effort and time was put into this video. We had some great catches along the day. And yeah, hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe, and yeah, I guess I'll see you in the next one. See you fellas. You!